want to clean and oil my sewing machine because I have sewn for about 2 days without oiling and cleaning the clusters of yarn, they call it thread, around the sewing track. This is what I want to do now. Watch me and see how I do it. I improvise with this. Others, there are people who buy the kind of brush, the other brush, like the painter's brush, this very small size. But this has done me well, so I improvise and I use it to brush certain parts. I'll show you when I get there. The holes are there already. The holes where you should put oil, they are written for you. So there are indicators there. If it is a blackhead, you have the treadle sewing machine. I'm coupling it back. I'm covering it as I open it. I'm covering it. I'm done with this head. I will now remove the rope and do the under this place and oil it, just clean and oil, but mostly oiling. Okay. You oil the movable parts under it. As you're oiling, you will be moving. Of course, if you're a new person to the use of a sewing machine, you will not know the sides that move, but the only way to know it and do it practical is to move it. As you're moving it, you're obviously seeing the sides that move and you oil them. Very simple to do. Done oiling.